The crackling buzz of Ukrainian FPV drones once again pierced the heavy silence hanging over the front line at dawn. What began as routine aerial reconnaissance quickly turned into a deadly operation targeting foreign mercenaries reportedly fighting alongside Russian forces. Within minutes, the battlefield transformed into a scene of chaos and confusion. According to Ukrainian military sources, drone operators identified a group of armed fighters moving tactically through shattered tree lines near contested positions. Intelligence suggested the unit was composed not only of Russian troops, but also foreign mercenaries contracted to reinforce Moscow's struggling frontline formations. The drones hovered silently, transmitting real-time footage back to command centers. The operators, seasoned by months of relentless combat, waited for the perfect moment. FPV first-person view drones, often modified with explosive payloads, have become one of Ukraine's most feared battlefield tools. Their speed, precision, and low cost make them exceptionally lethal against exposed infantry and light vehicles. As the mercenary unit attempted to reposition under cover of smoke, the first drone dove sharply from above. The explosion shattered the stillness, sending debris and dust spiraling into the cold air. Surviving fighters scrambled desperately, unsure where the next strike would come from. Within seconds, additional drones streaked toward their targets. Video feeds reportedly captured panicked movements as the mercenaries tried to take shelter in trenches and behind damaged armored vehicles. But the FPV drones maneuvered with frightening agility, weaving through obstacles before detonating with devastating accuracy. Military analysts note that foreign mercenaries have increasingly appeared in frontline sectors where Russian forces face manpower shortages. Their presence adds complexity to the conflict, often intensifying engagements in already volatile zones. However, Ukrainian drone superiority has made survival on exposed ground extremely difficult. The assault did not last long. In under 10 minutes, the targeted position was engulfed in smoke and silence. Ukrainian units monitoring the strike reported multiple confirmed eliminations and the disruption of enemy coordination in that sector. The operation was described as swift, calculated, and highly effective. Eyewitness accounts from nearby Ukrainian infantry described hearing successive blasts, followed by radio chatter indicating confusion among Russian-aligned forces. Some fighters reportedly abandoned equipment as they retreated deeper into defensive lines, fearing additional aerial attacks. FPV drones have reshaped modern warfare in ways few anticipated at the start of the conflict. Cheap, adaptable, and often assembled close to the front, these devices allow operators to act as precision strike pilots from bunkers miles away. The psychological toll on opposing troops has been profound. Experts argue that such drone strikes not only eliminate combatants, but also disrupt morale in ways that ripple far beyond the immediate blast zone. Mercenary units, often motivated by financial contracts rather than national allegiance, may face declining confidence when confronted with relentless targeted attacks from above. Unlike conventional artillery, which can feel random and distant, FPV drones create the chilling sensation of being individually hunted. Every distant buzz in the sky becomes a potential death sentence, forcing fighters to remain in constant tension and exhausting their mental resilience. The psychological pressure intensifies with each confirmed strike. Survivors of such drone assaults reportedly describe the experience as uniquely terrifying, unable to predict direction, altitude, or timing. The knowledge that a single operator, watching through a live camera feed miles away, can guide an explosive device directly into a trench or vehicle hatch has fundamentally altered frontline behavior. Mercenaries and regular troops alike are now compelled to move cautiously, often slowing operations and limiting offensive momentum. As smoke cleared from the battered frontline stretch, Ukrainian forces maintained persistent aerial surveillance to prevent regrouping. Drones circled methodically, scanning for heat signatures and movement among shattered fortifications. The message was unmistakable. Any reinforcement, foreign or domestic, entering contested zones would be immediately tracked, analyzed, and, if necessary, engaged without hesitation. The dominance of low-altitude airspace has become as critical as control of territory itself. Military strategists observe that the presence of mercenaries often signals attempts to reinforce weakened lines or carry out high-risk operations. Yet the expanding use of FPV drones challenges these strategies by exposing units the moment they concentrate or maneuver. Even heavily fortified positions are no longer guaranteed protection, as drones can slip through narrow openings, target supply points, and strike with surgical precision. The events of the day underscored a defining reality of modern warfare. Control of even the smallest aircraft can decisively shape outcomes on the ground. For mercenaries fighting on the front line, the threat now comes not only from opposing troops but from unseen eyes in the sky, watching, calculating, and striking with relentless precision.